Hello kiddos and moms. This is your friend Dr.Anima Upadhyay, and in this video we will learn about pollution. But before we start this video, please subscribe to my channel if you have not done it so far, and also share this video among your friends so that they can also learn about pollution. Let's begin with the pollution. We have already learnt about the environment and its different layers. The environment is the surroundings in which we live, and it is made up of air, water and soil. And the biosphere, that is the plants, animals that surrounds us. So all these things we have already learnt. I will give the link of those videos in the description box, so that if you want to go through those videos, you can directly click on the link and watch those videos again. Now we will be talking about pollution. So all these layers, that is air, water and soil, have a particular natural composition. And the substances which gets mixed up with this natural composition, leading to the change in their composition and degradation of the quality of air, soil and water. This phenomenon is called pollution. The added substances which leads to the degradation of the original composition are called pollutants. So, now that we have learned the definition of pollution, I'll just repeat it. The added substances which changes or alters the original composition of air, soil and water, leading to its degradation, is called pollution. And the added substances are called pollutants. These pollutants could be gaseous or particulate. And the types of pollution could be air pollution, water pollution, soil pollution, noise pollution, thermal pollution, electronics pollution, indoor air pollution. Yes, you heard right. Indoor air pollution. We think normally that the air inside our house is clean, but that is not absolutely true. Because we are using so many gadgets and we are using so many aerosols, perfumes, the woodwork inside our house, all these leads to indoor air pollution. And this is the reason many people these days complains about the dizziness, lack of concentration, mild continuous headache. All these are due to the indoor air pollution. And all these pollutions leads to what? Climate change. The change in the climate. We are seeing now especially that the prolonged seasons of continuous summers, winters and rains are a result of environmental pollution. And what is the hazardous thing that has happened, that is taking place due to the climate change, is the recurring pandemics and endemics, which has become a regular feature. In the past few years, we have faced corona, which is a result of climate change. Because the climate change is due to the rise in temperature, prolonged heating and cold weathers, hot and cold weathers, humidity, all these things makes the microorganisms which are dormant into active microorganisms, and these microorganisms are all not friendly to us, causing serious illnesses. So, the studies of environmental pollution has become a need of the hour. All of us must learn about environmental pollution. Now, what is the source of environmental pollution? There are two sources. One is natural sources and second is the man-made sources. So, we can categorize pollution into two types: natural pollution and man-made pollution. Under natural pollution comes the volcanic activity, the volcanic eruptions, the lava that comes out of the crater, that is the mouth of the volcano. It consists of the gases, ash and the lava. All these things gets mixed up with the atmosphere of the earth and flows down to large parts of the earth, leading to the change in the composition of air, water and soil. But this is reversible. Similarly, high velocity winds, cyclones, heavy rainfall, floods, these are the natural causes of pollution. But the natural pollution is a reversible process. So it will not cause long-lasting damage to the environment. On the contrary, the man-made pollution is irreversible process. Here, the human are making things for their luxuries and spoiling the environment. For example, burning of fossil fuel in the form of petrol, coal, coke. We are releasing a lot of carbon dioxide in the air. And we all know that air is a mixture of gases, where only 0.03% is carbon dioxide. 78% is nitrogen, around 20% is oxygen, 0.03% is only carbon dioxide. But with the burning of fossil fuels, this concentration of carbon dioxide is exceeding in the air, leading to greenhouse effect. And it's not only the carbon dioxide which is getting released, but many other polluting gases such as oxides of sulfur, nitrogen are also getting released into the atmosphere. This is one example. Industrialization, rapid urbanization, the industries have chimneys from which the flue gases comes out and gets mixed up in the air. Similarly, we are using excess use of automobiles which use the fossil fuels. So we are doing lot of mining also, which leads to landslide. The illegal mining also is being done for greed, for the money, which leads to terrible environmental pollution. Use of excess fertilizers, construction of buildings by cutting down the trees, encroaching the lands, encroaching the lakes. We are actually speeding up the process of environmental pollution. And it is we who are going to suffer in the end, because we are destroying our planet Earth. And all these things comes in the category of anthropogenic pollution, that is man-made pollution. I have written a book on anthropogenic environmental degradation along with my co-author Dr. A.P. Upadhyay. You can buy this book on Amazon. It's just 250 rupees and you can even get a discount. Read this book to get some more knowledge, some more inputs on the environmental pollution. Because it's not just the environmental pollution, but also it leads to climate change. As I said, the anthropogenic environmental degradation is becoming irreversible process leading to the change in the climate. We have just seen one pandemic, the corona, and how serious it was. Just imagine if many more microorganisms due to the change in the climate will become active from the dormant stage, how terrible will be living on this earth. So, in my next video, we will learn in detail about the water pollution. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye bye.